The weather system made landfall around 1 a.m. local time near the town of Casigaran in Aurora province. Thousands of people in northeastern regions were evacuated from their homes and taken to safer ground. Officials have warned the typhoon could linger for 3 days on the main island of Luzon. On Friday, President Benigno Aquino III appealed on TV to people not to panic, asking them to make preparations. The last time Aquino made a television appeal was in the year 2013, the day before Super Typhoon Haiyan struck the central Philippines, killing more than 6,300 people and leaving millions homeless. The island country is hit by an average of 20 storms each year, many of them deadly in nature.